Benefits of pizza. Pizza can help boost your immunity. Pizza can help boost your immunity. Tomato sauce contains a good amount of vitamin C, which is important in the fight against illnesses. Just make sure you pay attention to the ingredients. Avoid sauces with added sugar and try to find a sauce that contains oregano. In moderation, pizza healthy. Pizza is high in calorie and contains refined carbs and processed meats. However, it also contains beneficial nutrients such as fiber, protein, vitamin C. Eating healthy meals and snacks in addition to pizza can help you maintain a healthy weight and blood pressure. As one of the most popular dishes in the world, pizza has found itself in the center of discussions about benefits and disadvantages of its consumption. Many scientists test the impact and long-term effect of pizza on our metabolism. One of the most common misconceptions about pizza is that they are the part of so-called fast food type of foods. In reality, pizza can actually be very nutritional meal that can provide adequate sustenance to our body and metabolism. This article will try to describe some of the most notable ingredients of pizza and their positive. Tomato sauce represents one of the basic and most used components of pizza topping. In its structure, tomato contain lycopene. Tomatoes processed into sauce have more lycopene in it than unprocessed ones, which is known to be powerful antioxidant which helps in fight against many different types of cancer. The studies have shown that people who eat pizza at least once a week have a smaller chance to get ill for several forms of cancer, such as mouth, stomach, lung, prostate, and more. Here's what happens to your body if you eat pizza every week. Are you a pizza lover? Pizza, one of the most popular food, all junk foods. It is delicious, loaded with cheese, and you can customize the toppings based on your mood and taste. Risk for heart disease. Pizza is high in saturated fats due to cheese and processed meat toppings, which can increase your cholesterol level as well as risk for heart disease. Quick weight gain. One slice of plain cheese pizza has approximately 4,000 calories. So eating even 2 or 3 slices of pizza will add 800 to 1,200 calories in your diet. This will be higher when added processed toppings like pepperoni. Increased risk of cancer. Regularly consuming high-fat processed meats like pepperoni, bacon, and sausage as toppings on your pizza can increase your risk of developing certain forms of cancer such as bowel and stomach cancer. However, for healthier diet, we recommend reducing the amount of cheese. It after all has high amount of fat, and instead using more tomato sauce. The good combination of crust, cheese, toppings can be used for creation of healthy pizza that will be surely be good for everyone's organism. Although many try to put pizza in the fast food group, pizza created in the proper way with the quality ingredient can be definitely be classified as a health food. The recipe for such pizza consists of using whole wheat crust, extra virgin olive oil, a limited amount of cheese, no extra salt, and top it with lean meat, anchovies, vegetable and or fruit toppings. Some of the other ingredients have positive effect in our metabolism. Olive oil reduces bad cholesterol and increase good one and prevent heart disease. Mozzarella cheese is rich with fats, protein, calcium and sodium. Garlic is rich with selenium, manganese, vitamin C. Oregano is a good source of vitamin K, manganese, fiber and oils. People who are on diet can be found that a vegetable pizza or one made from olive oil and fish represent one of the best dietary meals on earth. They can be made in such a way to have great taste and still have low amount of fat and cholesterol that are normally associated with meals with meat and cheese. Cheese topping on pizza are also excellent source of calcium which reduces the possibility of colon cancer.